JD Cap 26 here, just do the tips and repairs, and we're in the middle of doing the ghost model, and I'm going to show you some details here. So here's the diagrama to the stairs to the ghost model. Pretty simple to put together. It's all notched, and I'll show you the instructions. This is the Monarch model, and here's the ghost himself laying down and drying. Put them together, and his top part, his teeth have to go in first, and then it attaches to the neck. That was a tough part. Also, the coat on both sides. I use CA glue to make it a little bit quicker to dry. And orientation of the arms. Make sure you have the arms orientated correctly. Sorry, we're out of focus here. And sash was very easy to put on. Just lay it down. Sometimes you lay it down and let it dry for a little while. It'll help. Then you get all the little parts over there. There's the Gorilla Glue. I use CA. Two types. So I didn't think I'd be doing this today, making a model, but I am. It's something to do. And I'll show you this when it's all painted in another video. And I hope you rate and subscribe. And I hope you're having a safe and pleasant day this Memorial Day weekend. And thanks for watching. Have a great day.